How to hide locked folder in Google Photos. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm gonna let you know the ways to hide locked folders in Google Photos. So if you're wondering how you can hide photos, then you just have to follow the simple steps. Now on your Android device, open up your Google Photos app, sign in into your account, and at the top you need to go to press on your profile icon. When you do that, you could go ahead and tap on photo settings and backup and make sure to go through it. You could go ahead and toggle the button as well, and once you've done that, now you could go ahead and open your locked folders by going to the collection section. When you go ahead and access this, you can use a device screen lock when prompted, and you could go ahead and turn off the backup folder on or off, just like that. And you could go ahead and hide locked folders in your Google Photos. Similarly, if you're wondering how to hide photos, then you have to go ahead and press on this and locate the image and tap the three dot icon next to it, and then click on the move to lock folders button. This is how you could go ahead and hide lock folders in Google Photos. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.